title. How different coins and blockchain technologies work. It's a great way to earn while improving your understanding of the crypto world. In 2025, crypto savings accounts are also a safe and stable way to earn. If you don't like the volatility of traditional coins, you can deposit stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or BUSD into crypto savings accounts and earn between 5–10% interest annually. This is significantly higher than traditional bank savings rates. These platforms include Nexo, Crypto.com, and Binance Earn. And they also offer flexible or fixed-term savings based on your preference. A trend that continues to rise is play-to-earn, P2E gaming. In these games, you earn coins or tokens by playing popular